Hi, I'll show you how to pair this device onto your phone. So this is the app, it's called iWit. Make sure that you're connected to your home Wi-Fi and put the batteries, keep it fully charged and ready. I want you to press, so this is, as you can see, it's with the battery and all that. Go to the app, click on that, right, and then press the plus button, select video doorbell. This model is the V5 model, so you go down, scroll down, check the V5, click on that, press and hold the setup button. Okay, hold this.
Battery carry mode.
Press next. Enter your Wi-Fi name and password.
Battery carry mode.
Okay, so you can see the QR. Just take this and
QR code scan finished. Waiting for Wi-Fi connection.
just hold this for about a good 1 or 2 minutes.
Wi-Fi connected. Waiting for device registration. Device registration
So
successful.
sign up is successful. Confirm it. Keep it over here. And you can, so motion sense is also there, so you can just for now ignore it. And here you go. Right, and if someone were to ring the doorbell, you get an alert on your this thing saying someone is at the front door. Click on that. And as you can see, it's right here. There is a two-way communication, so you can talk and you can listen also to what's happening.